Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the font size in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already. So after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Squarespace account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, under which we can find all the websites we can access. So what you want to do is open up the website that you want to change the font size for. So I'm going to open up my website right here. It's going to open it up in a new tab, and now we'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can see all the options we can access at the left side of the screen, such as our website, our products, invoicing, and so on. So guys, if you want to change the font size, all you have to do is just go right here at the left side of the screen under website and select the styles section. So go ahead and open up styles, and this is now going to open up the styles of our main page. And you can see here we can find our site styles such as our themes and so on, and one of the options is called fonts. So what you want to do is click on this arrow next to fonts, and after clicking on the arrow next to fonts, this is now going to enable us to take a look at our font. And as you can see here, guys, here is our base size. So you can select what kind of font you want, what you're changing, either for your heading or your main website, whatever you want. And after that, you can select what your size of the font is going to be right here at the base size. You can increase it, decrease it, and so on. And after that, just save it and add it to your website. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.